What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, GGFOREX here, and I know it's been a long time since I've made my last video, but there has been a lot going on in the back end, and you guys will find out about that soon enough. But yes, a lot of work has been going on behind the scenes, and it's pretty exciting. Anyway, I'm going to share with you two trade breakdowns that I did, that I've predicted that was going to happen, and how that happened. I'm going to obviously just break that down and show it for you. I got out of one of these trades at a 1 to 2 and a 1 to 1.7. And overall, if I left it and did nothing, it would have been like a 1 to 9 maybe. And I know you guys are thinking, George, why did you do that? Well, I didn't know what's going to happen next. Hindsight's 2020. So obviously I'm going to show the breakdowns of what I did, and hopefully you guys will learn something. Okay guys, so this is the AUDCAD trade that I predicted was going to happen. It came to my point of interest. I shared exactly what I wanted to see in this area, and I'm going to show you exactly what happened, how I got in, and all of that good stuff. But yeah, so this obviously was predicted back on August the 15th. Today is August the 17th, and my trade closed out yesterday on August the 16th. So let's just go on to that trade. As you can see, price, I've deleted my point of interest, but as you can see, it's pretty much the same. Came up, came down, made targets, filled in balance, not fully. This was the price inefficiency that I was seeing on the charts. This is where I wanted to enter, and what a price do, came in, filled 50% of the IPA, and started to push away. Beautiful entry on this trade, and I got out. I was stopped out of this trade roughly at a 1 to 7. And I know you're going to say, George, why don't you just leave it? Why did you trade stop losses? Because I'm not acting like I know what's going to happen next. I am securing profits when the market makes it available to me. If you listen to the end of Trading the Zone with Mark Douglas, he says, you know, most of my trades when I start out don't lose automatically. But then when it does go into profit and I don't capture profits, my mindset plays up. I feel more emotional about the trade if I haven't taken money off the table yet. So at least the thing I want to do is move to break even, take some money off the table. Let me just show you my NZDCAD. So again, this is a beautiful 1 to 5.5. Obviously, I got a 1 to 1.7. So either way, still happy, still makes plenty of money. A 1% at 1.7, still a great trade. Okay, NZDCAD trade, as you can see, 15th of August. Again, I predicted this. Pretty much the same setup as AUDCAD, but with this one we did get a better break and a nicer, cleaner target. So this is exactly what I wanted to see happen on the charts. This is what I was thinking price was going to do on the charts. And today, on the 17th at 12 in the afternoon, NZDCAD has just done exactly that. As you can see, I still left the markup on the screen. So this is the grey area, the point of interest what I was looking at. You see price moving up, came down, broke, made targets, filled in balance completely, unlike AUDCAD. Remember, pairs react in different ways. You can't treat them differently. You think, oh, if I just went and got this really tight entry when it filled all the imbalance, if I did that on AUDCAD, I never would have got in. You know, so I can't pretend that I know what's going to happen next, because I don't. And the reason why I don't know what's going to happen next is because I'm not the one who's moving the markets. You know, the central banks are moving the markets. I'm not. I'm just trying to step where they step and hopefully ride the coattails of where I believe they might be going. That's all I can do just by gathering evidence. So again, another beautiful trade. This one got slightly better. Overall, it was a 1 to 3.7, which I would have got if I didn't do anything. However, I got out at a 1 to 2 on this, so a nice 2% gain. So overall, 3.7% yesterday. Still a good day. Remember, I only need 2.5% per week to make 10% a month. I don't need massive numbers. I'm not here for the Gucci. I'm not here for the fame. I'm not here for just, oh, look at me, I'm getting 1 to 50s. I don't care. All I care about is profit. All I care about is money coming out the markets, not being taken by the markets. That's exactly how I think, and that's exactly how you guys should think at the same time. Who cares about a 1 to 50? If you lose 50 trades to get a 1 to 50, is it that great? No. What you want is profit. What you want to be is consistency, and that's how I play the game. And as you can see, there was a huge news event during last night on NZDCAD, and you can see this huge wick spiked up during Asian and then pushed back down again. So again, a beautiful trade playing out well. Let me show you the trade that I'm also in at the moment. I'm currently in Chef Yen at the moment. Time will tell whether this will work or not. I don't know. I don't control the markets. All I can go by is what I can see. If this loses, big deal. Doesn't matter. It's only 1% of the account. Remember, I'm up still 3.7%. So if this loses, great. I'm down. I'm still up 2.7. Still not bad. Still what I need for the week. Also, I'm in AUDJPY. Again, great trade. Depends on what price action does. We do have a lot of high impact news coming out this afternoon. If you have a look, USD, AUD high impact news. So potentially this could be a risky pair by 9:30 tonight. We'll have to wait and see. Let me just refresh the screen to see if it still keeps out time. Yeah, so AD news will be 9:30 tonight. So maybe I might be out of AJ by then. We'll have to see where price is to where my stop loss is. Again, I don't want to get like manipulated out the market with huge spreads and potentially getting slippage on that trade. It's just not worth it. And also I need to pay attention to the USD pairs and the pound pairs this afternoon as well. So it's a lot of high impact news. I'm expecting a lot of volatility. So potentially, you know, maybe Chef Yen could potentially lose. Don't know, don't care. I'm just gonna let it play out. And also AJ may have a potential huge move to the downside to take out some of these targets, get down to fill some of the imbalance, and have a nice retracement. Because you have a look at it, price is very extended at the top side. It's now had a huge sell-off. It's retraced. So I'm just going to let price play out, let it tell me what it wants to do. But overall, a fantastic couple of days so far. Two predicted outcomes, and they've worked out great. And now I'm obviously a new week, and I'm going in for potentially another 1 to 5, depending where I get stopped out on this trade within profit, and also potential loss on this, but I don't know. I'll have to keep you updated. If you want to be updated, remember guys, the link is down below for the GGFOREX group. I'll post it all in there. But yeah guys, so that is my kind of trade update of what I'm doing at the moment.
Okay guys, so hopefully you learned a lot from that. As you can see, I'm not here to be a Gucci trader. I'm not here to try and get 1 to 50s. I'm literally securing my capital, taking money off the table when it makes it available to me. If the markets reverse and stop me out and I miss out on a bigger trade, I don't care. Did I make money out of this trade? Yes. That's all I care about. You're never going to go broke taking profits off the table. That's a fact. With Mark Douglas at the end, as I keep saying, if you refer to the book, and obviously that's why I read it, that's why I recommend it. The link to the book is down below as well. Also go on YouTube and watch his Thinking Like a Professional Trader, and the Audible book as well. Audible for trading in the zone is amazing. And at the end of it, he said that, you know, even when he took money off the table, his risk, his emotions were just diminished completely. As soon as he knew that he already made money from that trade, he didn't care about the following outcome, because it could lose and he wouldn't lose that much, or he could lose and still be in profit. Either way, the odds were more in his favor. Little by little, the account grew. You're never going to get these huge home runs. I don't care about home runs. All I care about is consistent profits, the ones that add up, the ones that make sense. Hopefully you learn a lot from this, guys. Remember, those sort of breakdowns will be posted in the GGFOREX group, so the link for that is down below. I'll see you there. Love you all. Don't get scammed by fake accounts, and I'll see you on the next one.